Alright class, we're going to be creating this hook today for our drawing assignment. I'm noting a center line, vertical, horizontal. I'm looking at the dimensions. I have some dimensions to look at here. I've got some intersections to create and so forth. But the first thing I'm going to do is draw this vertical, horizontal center line. Then I'm going to start with this 27 radius circle. Then I'm going to possibly find this mark, create this 66 radius circle, come over here, come up 29 from the horizontal, create this circle, make sure these tangent together, and then I'll move up and create this top section. Check object snaps first. Everything's good. Check units. Good. Check down here. I want to go ortho mode. Alright. I'm going to do one other thing. UCS. Icon. No origin. That puts the XY in the lower section. Now I want to make sure I'm set up for drafting and annotation. Very good. So I'm going to create a horizontal center line. I'm going to go ahead and make sure I have a center line loaded. Draw a vertical center line. And I probably will go up 200. I think I'll go ahead and change the properties a little bit. Line type scale, change that to 5. Okay. I'm going to start my drawing with a radius 27. I'm going to come over 10. And a radius 66. Thank you. I come over 51. Then up 29. I'm going to do a radius 7. Then I'll do a 10-10 radius of 42. Ten radius of 66. Trim this out. I'm going to move up the image and locate this. That's what I'll do next. Then I'll come back and tangent this together. So I need to go up 98, then a 10, and it's 46 wide. Okay, so I'm just going to do it this way. Offset 98, left click, offset 10, then I'm going to come over 23 and go up. I'll mirror this off the center line, vertical center line. Change this to I can get rid of this. I'll trim this up. Then I need to go up 67, offset 67, then offset down 36. Then my width is 32 here and 24 here. So I'm just going to do it this way. I'll come over half of 32, which is 16, and come down to this point. Get rid of that. Mirror. Trim. And then 24, so I'm just going to come up, I'll come up top, come over half of 24, which is 12. Mirror. Delete, trim, mirror, trim, then there's a little button cap on top. I'm just going to use an arc, start in direction. Take my ortho off, pull it to say 20 degrees. All right. Now, I'm going to look at my drawing. I need to establish a mark here and a mark here. Well, actually, we've got that coming through, so I will extend that down to this point, then I'll tan 10 radius 44. I can't do that. I'm going to have to do another type of circle. I need to think about that. And a 105. So let's do that. Actually, I can do that. Let's see if I can do a tan radius of 44. From here to here, 44. Good. Now, from here to here, 105. 105. Now let's trim that up. Now I'll add a few dimensions. I'm going to pause and then add some dimensions, and then we'll call this. I need to trim. Before I do that, I need to trim this back. And this back. I'm going to pause. I need to make some center. I get rid of this. This. Okay, I'll add some center line, or excuse me, some dimensions and let you look at it with dimensions, but this is the completed drawing. Okay, so I've gone ahead and dimensioned the drawing, and you can see I've extended my center line a little further. I've got my radius dimensions shown. I've got some linear dimensions shown. Enough for me to understand that this is a completed drawing. And so I'm going to add a name to it. Let's go with, it's way too big, but let's just call it hook. Now let's come in here and I need to change the size of that. Line scale type 0.2. Oops, excuse me. Properties. Text height 20. And then I need to rotate this. There we go. Hook. There's our completed drawing. I need to make that a capital letter. Hook. There we are. Now it's completed.